Hello. Today we are gonna learn like how to change a recurring decimal into a fraction. So if you look at this recurring decimal, there are two parts. So one part is a non-repeating part and the other one is repeating part. Okay, so that is very important to understand that how we can deal with two different parts of this recurring decimal. So in the first step you need to make it equal to some letter, you can say give it a name, like make it equal to R, X, any letter you can make this recurring decimal equal to. For example, if this one is equal to R is equal to 0.17, so in this decimal the 7 number is gonna repeat itself, so that part is called a repeating part. But 1 is not gonna repeat itself, so we have two parts. 1 is not gonna repeat, non-repeating part, and 7 is a repeating part. So in that case, first we will multiply that whole expression by a multiple of 10, which could be, you can multiply by 10, by 100, by 1000, but you will multiply in this way that you jump over the decimal, jump over the non-repeating part first of all, and non-repeating part is 1, so it should jump over here. So to jump over the non-repeating part you will multiply the both sides by 10. Okay, so if you multiply 10 by R, it's gonna be 10 R, and if you multiply 10 by 0.17, so 1 is a non-repeating part, so that will go over here, so that will change into 1.7, and 7 is a repeating part, which is a recurring part. Now in the second step you need to multiply to jump over the repeating part. So here again our repeating part is of one number, which is 7, so it means it should go over here. So to jump over that repeating part you will again multiply that side by 10, and obviously that side by 10, because equal to means whatever the calculation you do on one side you have to do the same calculation on the other side. So when you multiply 10 times 10, it's gonna be 100 R, and when you will multiply 1.7 times by 10, so that will go over here, so it will change into 17. Okay, and but decimal will move after 7, and then because 7 is gonna repeat itself, so we will have another repeating 7 on that side. So we got now one like this equation, 100R is equal to 17.7, and we will take away from our first this one from that one, so take away 10R, which is equal to 1.7. so you can see that our decimal part is now equal, so means if you take away 7 and the recurring 7, so it's gonna be 0, and 1 take away from 17 is gonna be 16, so it means it's gonna be 16, and on that side 10 take away 100 is 90 r. So 90 is multiplying. If I take 90 on that side, so r is gonna be 16 over 90. So, and you can simplify by dividing the both part of the fraction by 16. So it's gonna be 16 divided by 16 is 1, and 90 divided by 16 is 5. So our recurring decimal 0.17, when we will convert it into a fraction, it's gonna be 1 over 5. So again, there are two steps. First of all, you will multiply to jump over the non-repeating part, and in the second step you will multiply to jump over the repeating part, and then you will take away the first calculation from the second one, and then you will get the value of r. Thank you very much.